Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. The setting's a little bit different for this one just because my other camera has just died, but I really wanted to get this video filmed for you guys. So today's video is a witch casket video, and today we are doing March witch casket. So I haven't opened this box, I've literally just taken the wrapping off of it now, even though it's April and I'm totally behind with all this jazz. But yeah, let's get into it and let's see what we've got. What is that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I do get very excited. So this isn't as exciting as February's box. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. I think I have coronavirus. I'm at the end of it now, but I still feel like crap. And it's a little bit hard to breathe sometimes, just like I feel like I've just done a run. And I've got a bit excited, so, oh, I've just seen this as well, and this is, oh, that's so nice. Honestly, the drawings that are in, like, these boxes are so good. I love that. But yeah, what I was going to say is, last month's box was February, so it was, like, love, because obviously Valentine's Day, and it was, like, there was a load of pink, like, all this stuff was all pink. So yeah, obviously I was going to love that. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now and I'm going to get, oh my god, I've just seen something I'm really excited about. I love these boxes so much. Okay, let's just get into it. So, personal power ritual kit. Let's have a look inside here. This is so exciting. I really need to get these videos. I don't even think I've uploaded January's video yet. Like, I'm so rubbish. Another thing that's annoying about this virus is I have no sense of smell. So I just literally cannot smell anything. So the incense and everything, I'm just not going to be able to smell it. Brilliant. Okay, so there's a little ritual in there. I'm not going to like go through it all, otherwise this video will be so long. We've got a cute little ritual there. What is this? Oh my god, I love that. That's going on my wall. Boss witch. So instead of saying boss bitch, it's like boss witch. And it's just really cute. And it feels really good quality as well. I really like the quality of the stuff in these boxes. It's quite an expensive box, I guess, but I do feel like they live up to like the cost, if that makes sense. So we've got some coffee here, brewing instructions. Add coffee bag to mug. Add boiling water, stir gently and squeeze. So it's basically like a tea bag, but a coffee bag. I'm not really sure about the point of that. The reason that I prefer coffee to tea is because it's easier and quicker to make coffee than it is tea, because you don't have to like pop about in a tea bag. But yeah, so that's interesting. I'll definitely be trying that out. What's it? Fennel seeds. Oh, so we've got some fennel seeds. So, okay, I'll plant some fennel. I don't want to read it until I've opened everything because I don't want to, like, ruin the surprise of some things that might be in there. Wow, I do not feel good. Oh, man. We've just got some fennel seeds. You can see that. I'll try smelling them, but there's just no point. There's just no point. Okay, let's see how well I do at opening this now. I just cannot open these for the life of me. I have no nails, by the way, because I'm working at hospital at the moment. Obviously my business is closed down right now and I'm missing my kids so much. But hopefully it's not going to be for long. Tips for magic on the go. Oh. So we just got another one of them. I'll just let you have a quick little look see a bit. I wonder what crystal we're gonna get this time. Got rhodonite in the last box and I'm obsessed. Right, okay, I'm gonna have to pick this up because it's right there. Reject that which does not serve. I am obsessed. Do you know what? The only thing that would have made this better is if it was like pink, if it had like pink on it. But I love these. I could take this to work with me. And it's quite a positive, because I work in mental health, it's quite a positive like thing as well, like reject that which does not serve. Oh! And then it's just got like a little thing. I love that. I'm so excited. This is probably one of my favourite things that's come in any of these boxes so far. And then it just says witch casket on the other side. I love it. If there was like cool stickers. Oh, I just realised we didn't get one of those witch casket sticker things that we get, that we normally get. But yeah, I love that. I just want to be able to smell the newness of it, and I can't smell anything. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I smell everything. I always smell everything. I can't smell anything right now. Oh, oh, sorry. What's... Shut up. Oh, I'm too excited. Oh, get out, get out, get out. Oh. Oh my god. I friggin' love that. That is so nice. That'll be like choker style as well. That is so me. That is so me. Stupid here. I got it on as well. Oh, it's not actually choker style, but I love it. I'm sorry, but hello. Can we just take a friggin' moment right now? This top actually kind of suits as well. Yeah, alright then. We'll be having that one. Thanks. Curology. Lovingly made for witch casket by Curology. So Curology must be like the brand then that's made it. It's just super cute. I love that. That is so cute. I can't really wear this for work, but I don't want to take it off now. I definitely can't wear it for work because it will get broken. Oh, so what have we got? Cream and black. I can't read, I can't see. I think I'm getting a migraine as well. So attractive. So friggin' attractive. So, this is new. This is new. Chert. I've never heard of that before. Chert connects with and helps to balance and support all of the chakras in the body. Okay. Bring in a stabilising energy which helps you to stay grounded. This is a great stone for health, general well-being and emotional stability. I need this right now for my health. I need my chakras balancing. I could do with some Reiki actually. Chart can also help you to connect with your spiritual self and guide you on a spiritual path. So this would probably be really good for me with like when I do... Wow, it's already starting to burn. When I do... This has connected with me a lot as this stone. Wow. Oh, I like this stone. Okay. When I do like angelic healing. I can't put it down now. Okay, you'll be alright. You're okay. Don't worry, you're not going anywhere. Mama's got you. Mama's got you. There we go. You just keep vibrating over there. Ritual candle. White and black. Have we not already got white and black? We got pink ones in the last one. But I will show you these. These are really good quality candles as well, and that probably sounds really silly, but they just are. Like, they're so smooth. They're very well made. So we have white and black. I'm so easily pleased, aren't I? Oh, we've got a Boss Witch pin. Come on, come on, come on! Hey! And we've got, oh my god! I was just going to say we don't have any incense. We don't have any incense. This is the first box where we haven't got incense, but instead we've got some oil. I'm not going to be able to spell. Ancient Wisdom Pure Essential Oil. Oh, it's going to pee me off that I can't smell these. But it's going to come back though, isn't it? Surely. Like, it's not... My sense of smell can't have just gone forever. Right? There's nothing. There's just nothing. There's just no... I cannot smell a thing. Just no. It's as if I'm trying to smell water. It's like... And then there's one last thing, I think. Just want to make sure I've got everything. Yeah. So the last thing here is... Oh my god, it's selenite! It's a selenite palm stone. Oh, sorry. My bad. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, it's friggin' love heart. Oh, look at that. That is pure selenite. I've got such a bad head coming on. Peace, meditation, harmony and spiritual healing. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm proper buzzing about these boxes, you know. I really, really like them. Okay, so that is it for this month's witch casket unboxing. This was March. I think it was March. Where are we? We're sort of like, to be fair, I don't get my witch casket boxes until like well past the first half of the month. And I'm hoping that they're still going to be carrying on throughout everything that's going on. It's not a good time for anyone at the moment, so yeah. So I hope that you're all doing well. I hope that you're all staying safe, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Oh my god, I love this necklace. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. I love you. Stay safe. Mwah, mwah, mwah.